Our top news this week. Sennheiser just announced their entry-level XS Wireless digital series targeting content creators and musicians looking for a quick and easy way to transmit audio. The new XS Wireless digital series operate in the license-free 2.4 GHz range and are designed to take out all the hassle of pairing wireless receivers and transmitters by automatically switching frequencies in the event of an interference. The XS series also get a built-in battery that can be recharged via USB-C port. Various kit configurations are also available, including such with lavalier mics. The long-awaited firmware version 3.0 for the Sony VENICE is now available for download. The latest firmware adds new features such as additional sensor modes, including 5.6K and 6K resolutions, in addition to support for the new XOCN XT recording format as well as cache recording. Earlier today, Sony also released some details for their upcoming firmware version 4.0, which will add the much requested high frame rate options to the Sony VENICE via high-speed license. New frame rates will include 6K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, among many others. At BSC Expo this week, Cooke is showing off their latest Anamorphic Eye Full Frame Plus Special Flare Coated Lens. The new Cooke Anamorphic Full Frame Plus range has been designed to accommodate cinematographers exploring the new and exciting world of large format cinematography while offering the popular anamorphic characteristics including flare and oval bokeh. That's it for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.